In modern dentistry, diagnostic precision and restorative speed should live in harmony. Welcome to the showcase of the all-new VisionCure by Flight Dental, a dual-function powerhouse that combines high-performance 1-second curing with advanced caries detection. Engineered for maximum utility, this ergonomic, cordless wand features a massive 10 mm optical diameter. Its broad-spectrum wavelength ensures uniform polymerization across virtually all modern light-cured composite materials to a minimum 2 mm depth. With 3 distinct curing modes, you are always in control. Choose the low-temperature cycle, a 1200 milliwatt standard mode, or harness the intense 2500 milliwatt fast mode to achieve a rock-solid cure in as little as 1 second. Go beyond standard restoration with the dedicated caries mode. By using a specialized purple UV light, it easily detects dental caries by fluorescing bacteria in interproximal spaces and allows you to quickly check the margins on restorations. It's a true 2-in-1 solution that delivers an unmatched, full-service experience. Contact your Flight authorized distributor.